They put long metal spikes in the center of the plate before placing hundreds of them on top of the ship. You see, this roof was designed to protect soldiers from boarding enemies, impaling them as they jumped onto the iron spikes. The holes cut into the sides let cannons fire in every direction, helping them attack enemies without getting hit. They also placed a dragon head in the front, which spewed out smoke from a hidden torch to confuse nearby enemies. But the ship cost too much to make, and they also entered a time of peace, meaning they eventually stopped making the turtle ship.